The Jekeno Mug Tumbler, designed specifically as a gift for nurses and healthcare professionals, stands out as a thoughtful and practical choice for anyone looking to appreciate the hard work of nurses. This 20-ounce stainless steel coffee cup offers a blend of durability, style, and functionality that meets the demands of busy healthcare environments and everyday use. The cup body is crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, a material known for its robustness, resistance to rust, and ability to maintain the purity of beverage flavors without imparting any metallic taste. This ensures that every sip retains the intended flavor, whether it be coffee, tea, or water, making it superior to many other tumblers that can sometimes affect taste. Its construction also promises longevity, making it a reliable companion for daily hydration needs. The tumbler's size and design are well thought out to fit most car cup holders, measuring approximately 6.7 inches in height and 3 inches in diameter. This compact and lightweight design allows users to carry it easily in bags or backpacks without worrying about spills or condensation. The 20-ounce capacity is generous enough to hold a substantial amount of liquid, suitable for long shifts or commutes. One of the key features that users appreciate is its temperature retention capability. Thanks to vacuum insulation and a leak-proof cap, the tumbler keeps hot beverages warm for up to 8 hours and cold drinks, including ice water, chilled for up to 24 hours depending on ambient conditions. This makes it highly versatile for use in various settings, from hospital wards to outdoor activities. The lid design is another highlight, featuring an anti-leak, BPA-free flip lid with a rubber gasket to enhance the seal and prevent accidental spills. The inclusion of an anti-glug hole ensures a smooth flow of liquid, providing a comfortable drinking experience without awkward splashes or interruptions. This thoughtful design element is particularly beneficial in fast-paced environments where ease of use and reliability are critical. Customer feedback consistently praises the tumbler for its durability and quality. Many users report that the tumbler withstands daily use, including dishwasher cycles, without damage to the exterior design or functionality. The artwork and lettering remain vibrant and intact, which is important for those who value aesthetics alongside performance. The tumbler has been gifted on various occasions such as birthdays, National Nurses Day, graduations, and holidays, and recipients have expressed genuine appreciation for both its practicality and thoughtful design. The product's appeal extends beyond nurses, as it is also suitable for anyone who appreciates a sturdy, well-made tumbler with excellent insulation. It has been noted that even children enjoy using this tumbler, demonstrating its broad usability. The product's matte finish and glitter embellishment add a modern and stylish touch, making it attractive as a personal item or gift. The tumbler's ease of cleaning, recommended to be hand-washed, helps maintain its condition over time. On the downside, while the tumbler is dishwasher safe according to some users, the manufacturer recommends hand washing to preserve the design and gasket integrity. This may require extra care from users who prefer low-maintenance drinkware. Additionally, the tumbler's size, while fitting most cup holders, may be considered slightly large for some compact spaces. However, this is a minor consideration given the benefits of its capacity and insulation. Overall, the Jekeno Nurse Tumbler is a standout product in the category of nurse appreciation gifts and practical drinkware. It combines premium materials, thoughtful design, and reliable performance to meet the needs of healthcare professionals and anyone seeking a durable, stylish tumbler. Its ability to keep drinks hot or cold for extended periods, leak-proof features, and aesthetic appeal make it a highly recommended choice. The positive user reviews and high ratings further reinforce its quality and value. For those interested in supporting the channel and learning more, the product link is provided in the description. If you own this tumbler, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This comprehensive review is based on aggregated user experiences and expert analysis to provide an honest and detailed overview of the Jekeno Nurse Tumbler.